Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create this quick and easy negative space nail design which is very much in fashion right now. This design looks really stunning and it's super easy to do. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now, without any further ado, let's begin.
For this nail design, you will need transparent nail polish, orange nail polish or any other polish of your choice, silver or any other glittery nail polish, top coat and a liner brush. So we'll start off by applying the transparent polish. Apply a good layer of the transparent polish onto your nails and wait till it dries. Then grab the orange nail polish and the liner brush. Dip the tip of the brush into the polish and then create a thin line like so. While creating the line, make sure to keep the upper portion a little bigger than the lower portion. Apply the orange polish on the upper portion of the nail. Let it dry. Once it dries, we'll move on to the next step. Dip the liner brush in the silver polish and create a thin line as shown. Repeat the same on the other nails too. And now it's time to lock it all in by applying a top coat.
And there you have a stunning negative space mani which is really quick and easy. I hope you've liked the video guys. Please do comment and share it with others. Stay tuned for more such amazing videos. Till then, bye bye.